Thank you, and welcome to 2017 New Year legislation. So first, let's talk about what we're going to review today. So first, we're going to talk about the Form W-2. We're going to talk about some W-2 requirements. We're going to talk about some filing deadlines. Hopefully, most of you are already past your W-2 portion. If you're not, I'm going to give you some pointers on what you need to do and how quickly you need to do them. So we're going to talk about those filing deadline changes and the impacts of them. We're also going to talk about electronic delivery of Form W-2. Companies are becoming more and more paperless and looking for ways to become a paperless environment from a W-2 perspective. So I'm going to share with you some details around how you can become electronic and prepare you for maybe that big project you're going to do this year to try to get your W-2s electronic for next tax year. Then we're going to talk about handling duplicate W-2 requests. So your W-2s probably have already been released to your employees. So now as employees call and request special things, how do you handle those things? We're going to talk about taxation and fringe benefits and proper year-end processing. So we are past, again, that time to where we issued W-2s to employees. So now is a great time to really focus on, what did we miss? How can we make year-end process better? So I'm going to give you a lot of really great best practices and pointers today to help you have a really clean year-end. And the goal always is to make sure that you have the least amount W-2Cs as possible. So we're going to talk about how to handle taxation of those fringe benefits and things you should do as a best practice. We're still dealing with ACA reporting. What that looks like for 2016 has become a little bit challenging for a lot of employers, so I'm going to give you an update on that and where we are at. We're going to talk about some annual updates. So what things do you need to be aware of that were updated for 2017?